Hello friends, this short movie clip gives us the proof of one's mental strength and abilities to come out of negativity and hopelessness. Her horse, once stuck in the pond filled with mud and could not get out, and lost all hopes of coming out and was giving up the idea. When a few herdsmen inspected the place, they saw the mud would not allow the horse to come out. It was only the strength that the horse could gain mentally and not give up would bring the horse back to its feet. After inspecting the soil, there was an idea in the herdsman. He told his friends, I have a plan. I hope it works. The herdsman getting the herd of the horses to run around the pond was to mentally inspire the stuck horse, to give it strength so that it could come out from the mud. And as the horse saw his friends gallop around the pond, he mentally decided he's going to give it his last try. With all the strength, he rose. With the energy, the effort came out. This is a lesson for all of us, to draw all the strength and energy to come out of these bad times which has hit us. That's why be positive. Try to help others around. So let's help our friends stuck in the pond of hopelessness, the negativity, to come out and guide them and help them to change their lives by providing this positivity by words and actions, so that the horse can come out. And there the horse, struggling with all his strength, slow and steady, stands up on its 4 feet, ready to gallop among his friends. God bless you. Take care. May you be positive forever. Amen.